Hi, my name is Essar and today I'll be doing my video recording on polymers. So what are polymers? Polymers are chemicals made up of long strands of molecules bonded together in a repeating pattern. We are surrounded by them every day and everywhere we go. The most simple definition of a polymer is something made up of many units. The units or monomers are small molecules that usually contain 10 or less atoms in a row. Carbon and hydrogen are the most common atoms in monomers, but oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, fluorine, silicon and sulfur may also be present. Think of a polymer as a chain in which monomers are linked, polymerized together to make a chain with at least 1,000 atoms in a row. Polymerization can be demonstrated by hooking together hundreds of paper clips together to form an extended chain. Examples of polymers include plastics such as polyethylene, silicon such as silly-putty, biopolymers such as cellulose and DNA, natural polymers such as rubber and shellac, and many other important macromolecules. There are two main types of polymers, natural and synthetic. Natural polymers are those found in nature. They include silk from spider webs and caterpillars. In fact, all living things, plants, animals and people are made up of polymers in the form of DNA. Synthetic polymers are made by humans mixing two different chemicals together. So the slime or the silly putty that we're making today is a synthetic polymer. Application of polymers: medicine. Many biomaterials, especially the heart valve replacements and blood vessels, are made of polymers like Dacron, Teflon and polyurethane. Sports equipment such as balls, golf clubs, swimming pools and protective helmets are often produced from polymers. Slime is a polymer which is made up of many units bonded together. So the slime is going to be made by adding a small amount of borax to PVA glue and water. So the experiment we're doing today, the aim of the experiment is to teach students about polymers. It can be done in a classroom, basing it at Vals Level 4. Students should be able to analyse a range of science-related local issues and describe the relevance of science to their own and other people's lives. Students should describe the purpose of experiments they undertake, and this can be achieved by getting the students to do a lab report at the end of the experiment. Materials you need: 2 containers, one smaller than the other. You need some water, food colouring dye, PVA glue and a borax solution. So instructions: fill the bottom of a large container with PVA glue. You add a few squirts of water and stir. Add 2 or 3 drops of food colouring and stir. And then you add a squirt of borax, possibly a bit more depending on how much the PVA glue you use. Stir the mixture up and put into a smaller container. Now the mixture should be joining together, acting like a putty. So what's happening? The PVA glue uses a type of polymer called polyvinyl acetate, PVA for short, whereas the borax is made of a chemical called sodium biarate. When you combine the two in a water solution, the borax reacts with the glue molecules, joining them together into one giant molecule. So thank you.